upcycling an old kitchen hob splashback. You see just outlines where the kitchen extractor used to be in, with the holes. Part of the splashback upstand. The other section was here, with rounded edge, square edge. So I'm going to prep this up and make a wood burning stove splashback out of it. Right, installed the wood burning stove in our lounge. I made a heart out of old kitchen worktops, granite as well, black. So I'm going to do a splashback behind the stove to keep wall protected so it doesn't get too hot. So again, upcycling. Love a bit of upcycling. Saves the planet, as I believe. Repurpose the good materials. There's no point of excavating and mining new granite if you can find the old granite but still good. Size is pretty much almost perfect, just need to trim out the edges and polish it all up and then mount it on. Going through the grades with these discs and slowly preparing the edge. This is going to be top edge. So once I go through all grades from 50 to 3000 is going to be super gloss polished. Quick clean up to the kitchen degreaser. We had some grease marks from behind there used to be an extractor hood. There are fixing holes from extractor hood. So pick the grease and then I'm gonna do touch up polishing. There's a bit of few little scratch marks around. I'm just gonna quickly polish it up on the face as well. This is the edge I just done. There, that edge, not bad, and that edge there. So just gonna quickly touch up these few bits and it's gonna be ready for installation. 3000. There you go. No more scratches around. Got a hole. I'm gonna plug them up. Just use a bit of black silicone once it's all in place. It's literally gonna be behind the stove, so you're not gonna really see it. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. There you go. That's now a complete wood burner with a splashback. Got black granite base and black granite splashback. I literally used some silicone sealant and stuck it to the back of the tail rail. You can see the holes. You can't really see the holes. Holes are all the way on the back there. You can't really see them because of the wood stove. I'm pleased with it, and I think Mrs. is pleased as well. She likes shiny things. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, thumbs up. If you like to subscribe for more action, please subscribe. If you want something else, some requests, please let me know in comments. Thank you. All the best.